Alright, what's up ladies and gentlemen? We are here to do some unboxing of the Stranger Things 4 mystery pin set. There's a total of 7, with Eddie being the chaser pin there. They look really cool. They are $16 before any discounts for 2 of them. So we're just going to open them up here live for you. Hopefully we get a whole set. We did buy 5 boxes, so... Am I still in the shot there?
Yep.
And the first one... Is it upside down? No. What is that? Demo bat.
Alright.
You got the demo bat on the first one. The second one... A little tough here. Stranger Things 4. Alright. 2 different ones so far.
That's good. At least you got 2 different ones, you know.
On our way to a set. And here comes number 3 in the second box. Demo bat again. They should have a pin trading thing for this.
Oh, I'm sure they will. I'm sure Facebook will pop up some pin trading.
There's Hellfire Club. Look at that big one. That's nice. Alright, so 3 different ones so far. Again, there's a total of 7, so you know. Hopefully we can get a whole set here. Here comes the third box we're opening. Must be a popular one. Demo bat again.
Dang, all the demo bats. It's infected.
We're gonna have a whole collection of demo bats.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, snap.
We have the Eddie Chaser pin.
That looks so beautiful.
It's so cool. And it is like 3-dimensional kind of, so you can, it's like bubble.
I'll bring it a little bit close. Yeah, like, and then down.
Down.
Right there. Yeah, look at that.
That's so cool. So, there's another one now, so now we have 4.
So you need 3 more to go?
3 more to go.
In what, 4? In 4 pins?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's hope for no more demo bats. Oh, snap.
We got the Chaser one again. So there's 2 Chaser Eddies. We have bats and Eddies, so I mean, you know, hey, they're fighting with each other. another demo bat. So we still need what, 3 more? I only have 2 left. So
yeah.
Got to buy more tonight or tomorrow or at some point here. Finally, the one I really wanted. It's the clock.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's like a nice bluish. Really cool. And lastly...
Demo bat? Vecna!
We have Vecna. Your evil Vecna. So I only need 1 more to complete the set, so it's not too bad. I mean, we do have...
Which one's that? Which one are we missing?
We are missing the stained glass door. To the corner one.
The bottom one? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the only one we're missing. So we'll see if we get it later on tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, we do have that many right there. So there's what, 10 of pins there.
Take it off the trunk pod, but yeah, that is
4 demo bats, but
4 demo bats. But you know what? That's okay.
It is all right. So we'll do what we can. All right.
There we go. See you in the fog tonight.